Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AWithZ 9000W battery spot welder, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 2 types of trigger flexibility and safety. Seamlessly switch between hands-free foot pedal operation and precise hand control, trigger, for versatile workflows and enhanced safety when handling sensitive batteries. Intelligent thermal protection. Built-in safety monitors battery temperature, CONT, automatically halting welding, trigger disable, and alerting you if overheating is detected, preventing damage. If there is no operation for 8 minutes, the spot welder will automatically shut down. Ultra-low power consumption. Engineered for exceptional energy efficiency, significantly extending standby time between uses and reducing operational costs. Precision 100 level power control, fine-tune welding strength for delicate tasks, like phone/Bluetooth batteries, or robust jobs, cylindrical power cells, with our intuitive rotary knob. Multi-mode welding for diverse batteries. Expertly weld cylindrical power batteries, mobile phone batteries, and Bluetooth batteries, mode, with tailored settings accessible via the clear control panel. Simple rotary knob operation and clear interface. Effortlessly adjust settings, gear, trigger time, mode, number of continuous spot welds, using the large rotary knob and clearly labeled control panel for ultimate user-friendliness. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.